Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and in today's lesson we will learn about the emotions in Italian. If you stay tuned with me and don't skip the video, then you will express your emotions in Italian. So let's begin. Iniziamo. Our first phrase is happiness. Happiness. Felicità. Felicità. Felicità, happiness. Next one is sadness. Tristezza. Tristezza. Sadness. Tristezza. Anger. Rabbia. Rabbia or cholera. Cholera. I'll post every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me and speak like a native speaker. If you want to learn a language fast, then you all need to practice that language in your daily routine. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Our next phrase is fear. Paura. Paura. Fear. Surprise. Sorpresa. Repeat after me. Surprise, sorpresa, sorpresa, love, amore, amore, love, fear, paura, surprise, sorpresa, love, amore. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Now let's move on to our next phrase. If you're a new viewer to my channel and you want to learn Italian faster, then you will love this channel. And my channel name is Language with Sara. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Our next phrase is hate. Odio. Odio. Hate. Repeat after me. Hate. Odio. Next one is excitement. Eccitazione. Eccitazione. Excitement. Boredom. Noia. Boredom in Italian is noia. Odio. Hate. Eccitazione. Eccitazione. Excitement. And boredom in Italian is noia. Next phrase is jealousy. Gelosia. Gelosia. Repeat after me if you want. Jealousy is, in Italian, gelosia. Our next phrase is disappointment. Disappointment. Delusione. Disappointment in Italian is delusione. Disappointment. Delusione. Embarrassment. Embarrassment in Italian is imbarazzo. Imbarazzo. Our next phrase is confusion. Confusion in Italian is confusione. Confusione. And guilt mean in Italian is colpa. Colpa. Confusion, confusione, and guilt mean colpa. If you like the video, then please comment below. And if you are a new viewer, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Our next phrase is regret. Regret in Italian is rimorso. Rimorso. Regret. Rimorso. Anxiety in Italian is ansia. Ansia. Anxiety. Ansia. And pride means in Italian is orgoglio. Orgoglio. Pride. Orgoglio. Regret. Rimorso. Anxiety. Ansia. And pride in Italian is orgoglio. If you want to repeat them, then pause the video and repeat them 1 or 2 times. And if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. And thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.